Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a short video which is for rotator cuff injury. I'm going to be using a resistance band, but you can also do it without a band. All right, so go ahead, get yourself ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so you're here because you've got a rotator cuff injury. First thing I just want to say is that I'm hoping that you have seen your physical therapist first. This video is not instead of getting medical attention or physiotherapy help, but what it will do for you, it's a great tool to add to your repertoire of movements to continue your recovery. All right, so we're going to use a band today. I'm using a light resistance band. Now you can use a light resistance band. If that is too painful for you at this stage, then do the exercises without, okay? Main thing to remember with rotator cuff injuries is you do not want to be lifting your arm above your head, nor do you want to be reaching up, okay? So we're avoiding all movements today above shoulder height, okay? Right, so let's get going. So you're going to get your band and you're just going to place it across your hands like so. All right, closing the fingers over the band and drawing the shoulders down. So very important to get your shoulders down and get a good standing posture. Keep your elbows by your side. Now you're going to keep your left hand still and your right hand is going to gently pull out to the side. And come back, out and back. Now if you have any pain, then your resistance level is too high, so adjust as needed. You want to feel that it is a challenge but not painful. Okay, we're going to do 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's switch sides. Other arm, out and back. So can you see I'm keeping my elbow next to my body? So we're really focusing right inside the shoulder joint there, strengthening those muscles. Good. Out and back. Out and back. 4, 2, 1. Well done. All right, so from here, what I want you to do is loosen the band slightly and then take the right hand out to the side. Okay, and now you're just going to bring that left arm across and then reach it out. So we're going internally rotating to external rotation. Internal to external, internal, external. Good. Two, 1. Well done. Let's do the same thing the other way. So we're going to add the Pilates breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try and keep that elbow next to your body, but as you progress through your recovery, you should find that you get a bit more range, so you'll be able to go in and out, in and out, in and out. One more, in and out. Well done. Let's bring those arms down. Now you're going to take your band, place it on the floor, standing on it, and make sure you've got plenty of band here, okay? And again, let's think of posture. Really important with rotator cuff injuries is that you do get your posture right. So what often happens is your head pulls forward, you get tight across the shoulders. So I want you to think of drawing your shoulders back, standing tall, take the band in this hand. Okay, and depending on how it feels for you, you're just going to exhale, you're going to lift. You want to feel that work, but you don't want to feel that pain here. All right, so you've got to be guided by what feels okay for you. Out and down. Out and down. Out and down. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do a little circle. So you're going to take the arm forward, gently out to the side and down. Forward, out and down. Forward, out and down. That's it. And down. So again, if you want to add breathing, you're going to inhale forward, exhale as you circle. Trying to keep your body still. Good, last one. And we're going to go reverse direction. So take it out to the side, inhale, exhale, forward and down. Good. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Let's change sides. Okay, it's exactly the same thing on the other side. So standing on it, feet hip width apart. Take a moment to think about your postures. We're not just trying to fix our shoulder. We're trying to really improve the whole posture of the body. All right, so arm down, standing tall, and then you're going to exhale out, inhale back, exhale out and back. And remember, you're not going to go above shoulder height. So if you find it easy to get to shoulder height, then you add the resistance, which means you take your hand lower down the band to make it a little bit more resistant on the muscles. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into your circles, going forward, out to the side and down, forward, out and down, forward, out and down, forward, out and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go the other way. Out and down, out and down. So try not to rush. Think about your breathing. Think about keeping your body still. So we really are targeting all the muscles of the shoulder and the upper back. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, so we're going to put the band aside and I'm going to ask you to come down onto the floor because I really want you to do this very, very important exercise, okay, for strengthening the back. So you're going to come all the way down and then what you're going to do is have your arms out to the side, elbows just below shoulder level. You can have your feet slightly apart, draw your abdominals in, and I want you to imagine you've got a big orange under your chin. So you're holding on to that orange, you've got a good line through the upper spine. And then from there, we're just going to lift the elbows up, the arms off the floor, and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. And again, if that's too painful, bring your elbows a little bit closer to your body. Okay, lift and down, lift and down, lift and down. Now I want you to lift and try and draw your elbows towards each other. Release and lower. Lift, squeeze and lower. So we're working the muscles of the upper back. Elbows go down and towards each other. Release and lower. Lift, squeeze, release and lower. Lift, squeeze, release and lower. One more. Lift, squeeze, release and lower. Well done. Now bring yourself up slightly onto your elbows. Your elbows are underneath your shoulders. All right. And then what we're going to do is just let the head drop down. I have done this in other videos. We haven't done it for a while. This is a really good one for your posture. So your head is dropping down. What you're going to do first of all is draw your abdominals in so your tummy is pulling away from the mat. Can you see how I'm lifting up there? And then I'm going to push down into my elbows and start to extend my spine. So in other words, I'm unrolling my spine. My eye line's going forward and then I'm looking straight ahead. Holding that position, which actually doesn't look anything, but when you do it, you can really feel how many muscles you're working across the back of the body there. And then let everything come down. Let's try that again. So slowly, slowly, draw the abdominals in. Push into the elbows. Feel those upper shoulder muscles working. Unrolling the eye line, the spine. Eye line goes forward, straight ahead, holding it there. And down. And one more. Drawing in. Pushing into the elbows. Lifting the head, unrolling the spine. Going forward. Good. And coming all the way down. Well done. And then from there, I want you to just turn around, lying on your back. And we're just going to finish with a nice little stretch. So I want you to take your arms out to the side. Bring your feet and knees together. And then take your knees over to the right. So you're feeling the stretch in the shoulders and the spine. And then you're going to exhale, pull the abdominals in, coming up. And then over the other way. Exhale, coming up. So this is our lying spine twist, which we do in a lot of our Pilates classes. And you just adjust your arms to a level that is comfortable for you. Okay? Over and up. Two more. Over and up. And over and up. Well done. And then you're going to roll onto your side. And we're going to get a nice cushion. So I haven't got one on me, but you're going to put a cushion under your head. Okay, you're going to lie on that shoulder, one hand on top of the other. And we'll finish with a stretch. So you're just going to bring the arm up so it's in line with the shoulder. Now it's not going to go any further. You're going to rotate your chest. Rotating your chest as far as you can and taking the arm down till you feel that stretch. And you're looking for a stretch across the front of the shoulder. That's it. Then you're going to inhale up and exhale to come down. So breathing in, breathing out. So make the rib cage do the movement. And when the rib cage can't move any further, you're then going to see if you can add an extra little stretch at the front of the shoulder. Lift and lower down. And one more. Up. And rotate. Lift and lower down. Let's do the other side. So rolling over. Same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to turn my back to you for a second. Remember to lie on the shoulder. Have a cushion, a pillow, whatever you need to be comfortable in your head. And then you're going to inhale, lifting up. Exhale, it's the rib cage rotating. And then when it can't go anymore, you go into that lowering of the arms so you get the stretch through here. Inhale. Exhale, lower down. Deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale up. And lower down. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Up. And lower down. Well done. And then in your own time, come on up. And there you go. That is your Pilates for rotator cuff recovery from injury. I hope you enjoyed that. Just remember, you do need to take time to recover. So please be kind to yourself. Do include this on a regular basis in your weekly routine until it feels easier, everything's moving. Also remember, there's absolutely no reason why you can't do any of my Pilates classes. Pilates is so good for your posture, and that's really important also for rotator cuff recovery. Just remember the one thing you need to avoid, which is to lift the arm above shoulder height. Okay, so when you do my other Pilates videos, just avoid that position of the arm, but there's no reason why you can't do the movements, all right? So I really hope that helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do press the subscribe button. Please also like this video, leave me a comment, let me know how it was for you, and share it with a friend or family member. All right, thank you very much for watching. Take care and have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.